tussen. Niet dat er een goed is. Ja, ik lijk gewoon zeg maar.
Van Nederland heeft vandaag op tv.
Allebei hebben eerst een prietje gekocht. En absoluut niet. Maar zo.
Ja, precies. Ja.
Ja, maar hij is gewoon echt naast elkaar.
Maar ook hier wel. En op een gegeven moment is het pasta.
Dat niet alleen, maar het is een controlesysteem. Als je weet wat temperatuur is,
Wel gaat hij, maar deze is allemaal tegelijk.
Ja, maar dat zit op 5. Ja.
de eerste is 65 bij deze.
Kijk,
Nou, 55. Ik zal hem instellen. Als je nu vraag gesteld aan Lia, je draait hier aan, dan weet je er verschrikkelijk veel vanaf. En dat is één ding. Ze kunnen dat heel duidelijk uitleggen. Dat is heel belangrijk. Dat is heel belangrijk. Dat is heel belangrijk. Als het begint, dan zit je zo precies op dat randje staan, maar ja, die glasplaat is kleiner. Die is 220 en dit is geen gewoon glas. Dus het gaat zo prima. Tegen de zijkant.
Alright, can we get everybody's attention, please? Yes, sir. You don't have to come over here, but you gotta be quiet. Okay, so we're going to do the competition. I think a lot of people here have seen this before, but we also have some new faces, so we'll go through the rules. This is our monthly printing competition, and there's a chance to win prizes. First, second, and third prize, which I think is actually like a 50% chance to win this time. Oh, wow. Yeah. And so we have a few criteria for judging these prints. Everybody, oh, you only have two. Okay, anyway, everybody's going to get 2 sets of these coins, not one. So they are divided by uniqueness,
I scanned it with Kinect 1 and I printed with real filament. So yeah, it's not more, this is it.
How did you scan it in?
With Kinect and the Windows software. Builder.
Okay, and the likeness of it to you? I guess it's not bad. We can see, what did you slice this and what
Kiss slicer.
Huh?
Chinese version.
Kiss slicer. Okay, kiss slicer.
We can put it next to Mini Bart.
Great. All right. And your layer resolution?
0.2.
Okay. Would you say that? Would you say that this was quite an accurate representation of the model, or that the speed and the slice reduced some of the resolution? Okay. 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 Model number 2.
Well, it's a 2-color print. It's sliced in Cura and a print with a diamond hot end. But actually, none of the slices has a support for the diamond hot end. So I made a custom prime tower, which is built up of little slices. Because when you make a square, it will just make infill into it, and you lose some volume on the prime tower. So that's why I made different slices. And then I wrote a piece of custom G-code. So every time it has a color change, it will go a bit over the prime tower. Then it will put some filament through. And then it will go to the prime tower, it will prime, and then it will go to the print. And it works quite well.
My girlfriend really loves butterflies and she makes cars.
How did you
Practical.
get it bent like that?
Hot water. Just
Oh yeah, I know.
press it against again.
So it's not a bug, it's a picture.
We got a really big mug, 1 liter tea mug, and just hot water in the tap and just press it onto it very slowly, several times in the water and press it again and again. First time we did it in boiling water, but then it bends like crazy and it doesn't look like shit.
Well, you know, I mean, we joke, but actually, if you don't use 3D lax and you let it warp, you know, warp on the wings or something.
So is that your own design?
No, it's Thingiverse.
Thingiverse, but it was a Thingiverse that was so good job. Good job. Okay.
This one is a Land Rover, a D90. I printed it because I have had, I still have several Land Rovers. And
Also real?
Sorry?
Also real Land Rover?
Yes. And I have had this is a real Land Rover garage. So these are very familiar for me. I looked a lot to find one, and I found this one. It's made by somebody from Yugoslavia. It's not everywhere okay, but it seems fine to me.
Ready?
Close enough.
Yeah, it looks real good. You printed them in
Use my words English.
please.
This is from the internet. I don't know which site it is. As a friend of mine showed this, I thought that's beautiful. I want to do it, so I make it. But there were some speed problems. I did it too fast, and in the beginning it skipped a few steps. So the nut screw broke in the nut. So this is it. I make a new one and I make it slower.
That's one try.
This item was featured on Thingiverse for a while.
You see? It can hold a car.
And
This is beginner's luck. This is the first one.
yes.
And not the last one.
At Kenny, I've built a new printer, which is a derivative of the Mini Castle and the Mini Rostock. We made it bigger as well. And this is the first print that I made where I've settled down on all the acceleration settings. And I find it very, very smooth. And that's why I entered it. It's, I think, a beautiful print, just to look at.
What is the comparison of that one to a previous one that you bought?
Now, this is one of the earlier ones where, if you look up close, you can see some coloration difference. This is more shiny on the bottom and then more matte in the middle. And there's, if you look just right in the light, there's a couple of bumps in it where the speed settings were just fucking up a little bit. So this is where I fixed that, and a more beautiful one. I think there's, I think it's also been cracked. It's been tried out, squeezed. It's not very thick, so don't try to squeeze it so it breaks.
Okay, Steph, you've got one of those rare entries. So basically, this allows people to compare the old versus the new settings.
Yeah, where it's standing right now, you can actually see all the bumps with the light. Just on
Okay,
the top.
great. Yeah, good job, Steph.
Not enough time. I always handle phones and I get video calls all the time. And I kind of was sick of holding my phone all the time because awkward, like, yeah, hello, and how are you doing? And I live stream too, and it was sometimes with the phone, so now I can put my camera on an angle without holding the camera all the time or putting it on a box and it shoves away. And for me, this was a fast system. So yesterday, I kind of started prototyping. In 3 hours, I made this model. I printed it over here, so it's actually live printed, what you see the whole day. And a small system in it, like I can just pick it up and turn the camera around. So it stays in that position, so I can easily just put the camera up and down wherever I want.
Very well.
And I put it up because that's the gravity point will always stay here. It doesn't matter where I put it. And with that system, I just can't make that system clear.
Your coins, please.
Points please, thank you. Day, wat was het ook weer? difficulty, unique, and quality.
Disqualified, sorry.
Did he admit that?
Yes. They were laughing about it.
We can see the discounter. He's out, so this one is...
Heer-eigenaar van de keten.
But I'm gonna email you.
I mean, it's